Hey everyone, Brandon here. Welcome back to another video. Are you really maximizing your marketing potential? Let me tell you something. You're posting, you're emailing, maybe you're even running ads. But let me ask you, are you really maximizing your potential, or are you just staying busy and quote unquote productive in your day-to-day life? So today, I want to explore a full scope marketing audit to expose what potentially is working for you and what's wasting your time and where your hidden growth levers are actually. So here's the truth that most creators and entrepreneurs don't want to admit. Just because you're doing marketing, quote unquote, doesn't mean you're doing it well. You can spend 4 hours a day posting on Instagram and still have zero traction. Look at all the influencers in your space. They probably work a lot harder or a lot less, got a lot lucky, or weren't lucky at all. It all varies. You can run 3 email campaigns a week with open rates under 10%. That's marketing and marketing activity, but we're in for something more, something impactful. Impact is measurable, right? It leads to visibility, conversions, trust, revenue. So how do you tell the difference? And that's what we're going to be exploring now. So let's break it down. Where most entrepreneurs fall short, even when they think they're doing everything right. First, weak offer positioning. You're marketing, but your offer doesn't stand out. Is it clear who it's for? Is it specific enough to solve one urgent pain of the ideal person for this particular product or service? Can someone repeat your offer in one sentence? I'm talking 15-second elevator pitch. If not, all your ads and posts are just noise out in the ether. Your second thing, inconsistent messaging. Do you sound like a different brand on Instagram versus your website versus your email? Strong brands are going to echo the same message everywhere they are. Repetition breeds recognition. That's why everybody on YouTube uses their face in a reaction video. They see it over and over and over again. I mean, it's the saying of, seven ads before one sale for a particular brand. You have to see something 7 times before it will truly trigger in the individual. Then there's 3, no funnel, no fluff. Most businesses post and hope, but where are you sending these people? Is it a landing page, a nurturing sequence, a sales call calendar? Without a typical conversion path, you're creating traffic with nowhere to go. This is almost as bad as buying bots off of either Fiverr or Upwork to quote unquote grow a channel or grow anything. Really, you're buying it, but with no clear goal, no end game, you're just creating traffic to nowhere. Then ignoring analytics. You're not checking what's working, no UTM links, no tracking, no insights. You're driving blind. You're gathering all these individuals into a car, but that's it. You don't know who they are. You don't know where you're going. You're driving blind. 5, a low follow-up frequency. So the gold is in the follow-up itself. 80% of sales happen after 5 particular touch points. Yet most people end up giving up after 1 or 2. I want you to time yourself for the quick audit, right? Rate yourself from 1 to 5 in each of these areas. First area, clear and a differentiated offer. Is it specific? Is it bold? Is it instantly understandable? Second area is messaging consistency. We're talking same message across all channels. After that, I want to talk about lead capture and funnel flow. Is there an obvious path? Then content and ad ROI tracking. You want to know which platform actually drives the results that you're looking for. After that, we're going to do a follow-up and retargeting system. Strong emails, DMs, ad following, retargeting. If you're under 18, you're likely leaving a lot of marketing potential on the table. So, let me go back. I'm under 18 as in the score. So it was out of 25. Okay, moving on. So the 3 fastest ways to start maximizing your marketing based on all the previous information, right? First one, we want to tighten the offer. Using a formula, we're gonna use something specific for the formula, okay? So the phrase is, I help specific person achieve specific result without specific frustration. This is the what I do, how I do it, why it works. That's a similar system for services. This alone can increase conversions by around 20 to 50% once you have the specificity into it. After that, you're going to pick one platform and you're going to go deep into it. Instead of being average everywhere, the jack of all trades, you're specializing in one channel. You're dominating it. You're learning its algorithms. You're speaking its language. You're building your tribe on that one by going deeper. Then I want you to install a follow-up machine. For the machine, it's more systems, right? Email nurture sequences as a system. Retargeting ads as another system. Automations. All roads should lead back to value plus conversion, with the conversion being your particular goal. Now, as we conclude out to this video, if you've been putting in the effort but you're not seeing the results that you expect, it's not because you suck at marketing. It's because you haven't fully unlocked your true marketing impact and potential due to a lack of something in any of the areas areas above. But with this, I want you to audit your score, I want you to make some changes, and I want you to reevaluate after 2 weeks. And if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. If you hate my opinions, you hate my structure, let me know those comments down below as well. Love to read them, love to make some changes. And with that, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.